Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the Squeezer platform and the current state of development that we're in. If you're a first-time user, you'll have to sign up first, so let's click on this link and we'll be redirected to the sign up screen. Here we have two options for sign up. Either we can use our GitHub account or the generic login using email and password. For this video, I'm gonna sign up using a GitHub account. And now I have to log in with my GitHub credentials. So after I log in with my GitHub credentials, I'm gonna be logged in at the Squeezer platform, and I'm gonna be redirected to the project dashboard page. This being a newly created account, I have no projects uploaded, so I'll click on import projects, and here I can see a list of all my repositories. This being a test account, I only have one, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, and on the next screen I have a set of settings for my deployment. I can select the branch that I want to deploy. I can select the provider. After I select the provider, I have to enter the credentials, like the secret ID, the secret key. Then I can select the environment. I have build commands. We can set up custom build commands for the deployment. And I have the publish directory, which is going to be root. Okay, and now I've added the project successfully. At this moment the project is saved on the back end, but the front end is in development still, so I can't really see it right now. I can click here and go to account settings. Here I have my profile settings, which I can edit, or I can delete my account. I'm not going to do that right now. I can go back to all projects, which is the project dashboard. Our team is working hard on implementing and developing the features that we've presented so far in the wireframes and designs, and it's really coming together beautifully. Anyone is welcome to check out the platform and test it as we move forward with the development, accessing the link on the screen. Thanks for watching, guys.